I wanted to share a technique I use when I want to give grass a little bit more depth. So from the flat washes you're seeing here to where the grass looks like it has a little bit more 3D to it and a little bit more depth to it. So I'm starting by drawing blades of grass. Now they're not realistic blades of grass, they're almost cartoon blades of grass, but it's just to show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to speed this bit up though, because it's the video is not really to show you the drawing, it's to show you the watercolour technique that I use. So I'm just going to start painting some of the blades of grass. I've got sap green here. I'll just paint it all the way down to the bottom, and then I'll paint another blade of grass that's separate from it, and I'll go through a lot of the blades of grass, just painting them in. And what I'm going to do is go back round and add in some of the contrast that I'm talking about. So it's clearly not realistic, it's just a kind of nice style I quite like to use, with a technique I quite like to use. So it's going behind that blade of grass that's coming up there. And down to the bottom. Okay, so now I'm going to go in, it's dried, and now I'm going to go in with darker colours and just go to the part of the grass stem that's behind another grass stem and add some darker shades of green. Wash the colour off your brush and blend it out. And I'm just going to go around all the blades of grass and do the same thing. I'll get different shades of dark green and do it. But I find it helps make the picture pop a little bit. So I wasn't painting very carefully when I painted these stems of grass in the first place, so some of them don't have very distinct edges. But I can go back in and try and make them a little bit more distinct with a darker colour. I just blend it out. And I'm nearly finished, and that's just the general idea of what I'm talking about. Let's put darker colours behind. Blend it out, and it makes the grass blade in front of it pop out a little bit. And you might have to go back round some of them. Maybe some of them have blended into too similar a colour to the one next to them, so you may have to go back round and darken another one of them. So give it a go yourself. Just draw little snake-like blades of grass and just get painting. Add layers. Just keep adding layers with more dark behind some of them than the others. Now I'll try and put in a photo of what this looked like before I started adding these darker colours in next to this, so you can compare them and see what a difference it's made. Okay, so thanks for watching. I hope you liked my little technique. Okay, bye bye.